Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover 3.0 SDV6 Westminster, finished in Eiger Grey metallic exterior paint, with 21-inch, 7-split spoke, diamond-turned alloy wheels. Standout features on this car include matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the bumper we have the electrically deployable tow bar. As we look now beneath the powered gesture tailgate, we can see the rear folding seats with the load through and the parcel shelf. Entering now into the rear of the cabin, you can see the sunroof from the inside and the ivory perforated semi-aniline leather seats with the ISOFIX child seat mounts and the second row climate controls on the centre console. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the memory seat buttons and the Meridian sound system badge on the door card as we turn in to see the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the gear shift paddles, interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the DAB radio and digital television media options, the rear camera display, and on the lower touch display we have the controls for the front and for the rear heated seats. We also have terrain response, and on the centre console the gear selector, the right out buttons and train response dial. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.